Let's draw Ash and Pikachu from Pokémon today. I heard that the official will be in the latest season of anime. Replace this one that has been there since 1997. The absolute male #1 active in the Pokémon world. Still feel a little sad. In my impression, I was the first to come into contact with the Pokémon series. That was when I was in junior high school. Borrow a Game Boy from a classmate. Handheld game console released by Nintendo. Hiding under the covers in the middle of the night with a flashlight. Console screenplay. You ask why you still have to use a flashlight to take pictures. That's because the GB screen I was playing at that time didn't have self-illumination. Children playing with smartphones. It's hard to imagine. Around the time, local TV station and on-demand station also started tacitly play episodes of the Pokémon anime from the first generation. From then to now, there are 7 volumes, spanning 25 years. Ash, finally to complete his historical mission, honorably retired. I still have a lot of emotions when I think about, although it has been many years since you grew up. No longer take the initiative to look at these, old friend, but they are indeed in your youth. It left a deep impression. Eventually, these impressions will turn into fond memories with you for life.